And quick update, the debate over stray dogs in Delhi NCR has once again reached the doors of India's highest court. On one side, rising dog bite cases and public safety concerns, on the other, animal rights, compassion and the question of whether removing stray dogs from our street is the right answer. Today, the Chief Justice of India has said, "I will look into this," giving fresh hope to animal lovers who oppose the recent Supreme Court order to relocate all stray dogs into shelters. On August 11, 2025, a Supreme Court bench headed by Justice J.B. Badriwala and Justice R. Mahadevan ordered that all stray dogs in Delhi and the surrounding NCR region should be picked up from residential areas and shifted to shelters within 8 weeks and never let out in public spaces again. The court said this was in response to the growing number of dog bite and rabies cases. The bench also warned for trying to resist stray canines from being picked or rounded up would face contempt action from the court. The order got mixed reactions. A Resident Welfare Association welcomed the move, saying it would make neighborhoods safer. Animal rights activists disagreed, calling it impartial and harmful. Actor John Abraham sent an urgent appeal to the Chief Justice asking for a review. Former Union Minister Menace Gandhi called the order impartial, financial, unavailable and potentially harmful to the region's ecological balance. People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals India also strongly oppose the decision. A senior PETA doctor said, "Communities think of neighborhood dogs as family, and the displacement and jailing of dogs is not scientific and has never worked. It will also ultimately do nothing to curb the dog population, reduce rabies or prevent dog bite incident." In an urgent mentioning on August 13, 2025, a lawyer reminded Chief Justice B.R. Gavai on a May 9, 2024 Supreme Court order, which has taken a different stand on stray dogs. That earlier order by a bench led by Justice J.K. Maheshwari said under all circumstances there cannot be any indiscriminate killings of canines and the authorities have to take action in terms of the mandate and spirit of the relevant legislations in place. The bench also highlighted exhibiting compassion to all living beings is the ancient constitutional value and mandate and casts obligation on the authorities. This 2024 ruling was linked to the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act 1960 and the Animal Birth Control Rules 2001, which was national laws protecting animal welfare. When the issue was raised before the Chief Justice today, he responded briefly but significantly, "I will look into this." This statement has been seen as a sign that the court might reconsider or at least review the August 11 order. The Justice Badriwala bench said the stray dog situation is extremely grim across Delhi, Noida, Gurugram and Ghaziabad, and that freeing localities from stray dogs was necessary. But animals welfare groups warned that capturing over 5,000 community dogs in a short period could lead to confusion, cruelty and overcrowded shelters. They say the solution should focus on vaccination, sterilization and community awareness, not mass relocation. With the Chief Justice now said to look into it, the debate is far from over. Now for Delhi's stray dog remain on the streets, but their future could change with the next court hearing.